In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to make.com and watch form responses in a scenario. To get started, log into your make.com account and head to your dashboard. Once you're in, click Create a New Scenario. This opens the Visual Automation Builder, where you'll set up the workflow that listens for new responses coming from Typeform. If you're new to Make, this area is where all your modules connect together, so take a moment to get familiar with the layout before moving on. Next, add the Typeform module to the scenario. When the module options appear, choose the Watch Responses trigger. This is the trigger that tells Make to listen for new submissions from a Typeform form. In other words, every time someone fills out the selected form, this module will be able to pick up that response and pass the data into the rest of your automation. After that, click Add to create a webhook connection and authorize your Typeform account. During this part, Make will ask for permission to access your Typeform workspace so it can detect incoming form responses. Go through the authorization prompts and approve the connection. Once that's done, the account will be linked and ready to use inside your scenario. If you manage multiple accounts, make sure you select the correct one so you don't accidentally connect the wrong workspace. Now choose the specific form you want to monitor. This step is important because the scenario needs to know exactly which Typeform should trigger the automation. Select the form from the list and double check that it's the right one, especially if you have several forms with similar names. Choosing the correct form now will save troubleshooting time later. Once the form is selected, run the scenario once to test the connection. This initial test helps Make confirm that the trigger is set up properly and that it can detect data from Typeform. In many cases, it's helpful to submit a sample response through the form so there's fresh data available during the test. That makes it easier to verify that the connection is working as expected and that the fields are coming through correctly. After the test is successful, attach your target destination module. This is the next app or action where you want the Typeform response data to go. At this point, your trigger is already in place, so you can continue building the workflow from there. That's it! You've now set up a Typeform Watch Responses trigger in make.com and prepared your scenario to send new form submissions wherever you need them to go.